Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today.
At number 12, we have Michael Dell of Dell, who is on this list for founding one of the largest tech companies in the world, revolutionizing the PC market.
If I'm leading this organization, what are the things that actually I can do to cause it to be successful? If it's 1,000 people, it's very, very different than it is for me today. So today I'm a lot more focused on strategy, because that's the point of impact on a 110,000 person company. On a 100 person company, you know, you're sort of doing any job in the organization. You're doing every job in the organization, you know, potentially, and that might be okay at that point. As a business grows, the natural tendency would be to take fewer risks and to be cautious and to have contingency plans. But in a business that's changing very quickly, or one that you want to grow, you actually need to be explicit about accepting risk. The requirement for new infrastructure is tremendous, and we are the essential infrastructure company, wherever that may reside, right? The private cloud, the public cloud, the telco cloud, the boom in the edge. We are going to, serve up that capability better than anybody.
Dell has one of the largest infrastructures ever, and he's on this list for providing excellent customer service to customers. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's Top 52 Creative Leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.